Go on,
we
then.
get you on?
Yeah,
Yes.
let's get you on.
Come on, then.
Everybody would love to see him.
Come on.
And
All
you, obviously, and you. Second, of course.
Mainly him.
Mainly him.
Can you be a dog?
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Now, introduce the two of you, please.
Okay, sit. I know. Not yet, not yet. We say that for in a minute. Right. Okay, I'm Aaron, and what's your name? Yeah, good boy.
Oh, my God, he can speak.
That's Buddy. He's saying his buddy.
I got that.
Yeah. Shh, not yet. You're ruining the surprise.
Tell me why you're both here.
Down. Basically, me and Buddy have developed a real bond, and he is now my best friend.
He's gorgeous.
After my wife, might I add. And I was playing the guitar when he was about 12 weeks old, and he just started what he's about to do.
Sing.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
You've been waiting
This
for
is his dream.
Pretty serious.
Sing.
Sing.
The dog is going to sing.
Sing?
Amazing.
We've kind of developed it over the months, and he likes to sing to songs.
I am so excited. This could be history in the making here.
Well, let's hope so.
I cannot wait for this.
Are you going to come under? Come under. Under. Sit. Right, are you ready? We're going to sing. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
He's singing.
It's all yours.
Good luck, Diane.
Wow.
What's your name, please?
My name is Diana. I'm from St. Petersburg, Russia, and I'm going to show you a dog act.
Fantastic.
Oh my God, it's done! Simon's gonna love it.
How long have you been training dogs for?
For like 15 years.
Okay, well, we love dog acts. Is this something different to what we've seen before with the dog act?
I really hope so.
Okay. I was going to say, do you have any pets? But obviously, you do. So good luck.
Thank you very much.
Oh my God, I call him.
That is amazing.
adorable. Where do we start? Oh, look. Go on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. Amanda, you love that.
Oh, I loved it so much. It was just the cutest thing, especially when they kind of rolled over. They were like the tide coming in.
You have done an amazing job with them. Like, everybody knows it's difficult just training one dog. You've got 5 of them. I honestly applaud you for that.
David.
Well, the good thing is Ant and Det can have a ride home on their backs. We actually had some amazing dog acts on this show, and we hadn't seen this, so I sort of want to take them all home.
They are absolutely beautiful. An interesting fact about Dachshund sausage dogs, whatever you want to call them, is in the future, police dogs like German Shepherds and things like that, they are going to be replacing them with 50 of those to every one German Shepherd.
Really?
Yep. You do not want to mess with 50 sausage dogs.
Wow!
Right, we're going to vote. David, yes or no?
Of course, I'm going to say yes!
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
You have 4 yards. Congratulations. I just know these things.
They're going to replace one dog with 50 dogs?
Yeah.
And that's easier, is it, than
Yes.
having the one big dog? Yeah, there's no way. That doesn't make sense.
Now, my dog's called Miracle, and today we're hoping to show you a real miracle. Okay, Miracle. You go? Okay, there we are. Now, Simon, I know that you love dogs.
Yeah.
So, in front of you are 40 of my dogs that are back home.
You've got 40.
I have over 40. I would like you to cut those photos into 4 roughly equal piles.
Okay. 1.
Now, I want you to take 1 from each pile from the top. Don't show me. Keep 1 for yourself and pass 3 to Amanda. Just don't show me. And Amanda, if you can do the same. You keep 1, pass that to David as well. Now, there's no possible way I could know which cards you've chosen. Okay? So you can see that they are all completely individual. Okay? Now, you may wonder why I have those 40 dogs. This is going to explain the story.
It's you. It's you.
You with the sad eyes. Don't be discouraged, oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all. Darkness inside you can make you feel so small. But I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors, true colors, beautiful. If this world makes you crazy, take all you can bear. You call me up, 'cause you know I'll be there. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid. Let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful.
So I have no idea which photos you chose, but Miracle did. And here's something that we filmed earlier today.
Right, Miracle? We've only got room to take 4 dogs to go and meet the Britain's Got Talent judges. So who's it going to be? Who do you want to take? Tell me. Good boy.
Thanks, guys. So, David, can I ask you to hold up the photo that you have and call out the name of the dog?
Braveheart.
Marilyn Monroe. Grace Kelly.
Jean Harlow.
Obviously, I couldn't bring 40 that are there, but Miracle decided to choose 4. So I'm going to let you meet them.
Every little thing she does is magic. Even though my love is tragic, no more for her.
So we have
Every little thing
Jean
she
Harlow,
does is magic. Everything she does,
Grace Kelly,
even though my life
Braveheart,
no more for her.
and Marilyn Monroe.
Thank you. Thank you. So far, Finn has shown us some of his incredible skills, from mind reading through to thought transference. But tonight, I thought it'd be fun if we showed Finn's skills as a magician for the very first time. So, David, here we have a deck of playing cards. Every single one is different. I'm going to turn them over, and I want you to touch the back of any one card. That one?
Yeah.
I'm going to cut it to the top. I'm going to put it on the table in front of you. You can cover it with your hand, but don't look at it just yet. So, David, there's nothing Finn and I like more when backstage than practicing our magic. Tonight, before we came out on stage to perform, I asked Finn to pick a card. Let's see what happened. So, Finn, what do you reckon? Should we do some magic before we go out on stage? Fine. So Finn thinks you picked the 7 of spades. For the first time, can you please turn over your card and show us what it is? Can you hold it up high so everyone can see?
Wow.
But let's try something else. Alicia, here we have a scrapbook full of photos of our amazing adventures. As you can see, the last few months have been absolutely incredible. I'm going to flick the pages, and when I do, I want you to say stop. You ready?
Stop. Nice.
Where is that picture?
On a lovely beach somewhere.
On the beach.
Not in Barbados.
Amanda, here we have a box of Finn's favourite biscuits, and he's eyeing me up now, so we better get on with this. I'd like you to reach inside and just grab a handful. because everyone's got a word on it. I'd like you to read out some of those words.
Okay. Gosh. Phenomenal. Wonderful. Breathtaking.
Brilliant. Can you pop those back inside for me? I'm going to give them a shake. Now I want you to reach back inside and pick just one biscuit, please. What's the word on that biscuit?
Incredible.
Incredible. So our friends often say that Finn and I have an almost telepathic connection. Last night, he's eyeing up that biscuit. Last night, he's going to jump across the table at you. Last night I woke up, I looked down at Finn and my mind was filled with beautiful words and I just had to write them down. But those words have been in front of you the whole time. Simon, in front of you is the ball that Finn had in his mouth during our first audition. Can you unscrew that ball for me? Inside is a note. You take that note out. And could you read it out loud for us?
Hello, I'm Finn. Thank you for your incredible support, and we hope that you like the things we've shown you on BGT this year. My best friend Dave doesn't know exactly what the coming months will bring, but I do. You see, I knew all along. Tonight, I even knew that. Alicia would choose a picture of our favourite place to visit the beach, and Amanda would choose the word incredible to best describe our journey throughout our BGT adventures. Before we go, thank you for everyone for helping to pass Finn's Law, which makes the world a safer place for me and my friends.
From Finn, thank you, and good night!
Hello, guys. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Hello.
What's your name, please?
I'm Jose Fuentes,
And how old are you?
58 years old.
Oh, wow.
All right.
I'm very young, no?
What is your dog's name?
Her name is Carrie.
Carrie. And what are you doing for us today?
Today, we are going to do dance.
How do you teach a dog to dance?
What got you into dancing with Carrie?
I danced as a boy. My ex-wife did not dance with me.
So you dance with Carrie?
But Carrie is the best partner dancer.
So you divorced your wife who wouldn't dance with you,
Yes.
and then bought a dog so that the dog...
Now I get it. That's why
dancing.
Carrie is wearing a dress.
Got it. Okay, this is going to be a really weird season. Good luck.
Thank you.
It's a full-on dress.
shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora.
Very good.
Time. Work, 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 Sinora. Work your body line. Work, 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 Sinora. Work it all the time. Sinora, she's a sensation. The reason for aviation. And fellas, you got to watch it. When she wind up, she bottom, she go like a rocket. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body. Heist those skirts a little higher. Shake, 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 Sinora. Shake your body line.
Barry's a better dancer than Jose.
Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora.
Miss Pudsey, what's your name?
Ashley.
Pudsey and...
Pudsey and Ashley, or Ashley and Pudsey?
Ashley and Pudsey.
It really matters which way around you go.
Yeah, it does,
Because once it's there forever.
Are you bitter?
No, I'm not bitter, but just make sure you're sure.
Okay, I actually go for my 11th birthday. He was in a little box and my mum wrapped him up and then I opened it.
Taylor, out the way. So what you wanted? Hang on, let's have a look at your face. You got little tears in your eyes.
Me and Pudsey have an amazing bond together. I walk him, I feed him, I groom him, I do everything with him. He's just amazing and I love him so much.
Ashley is absolutely devoted to Pudsey. That her whole life, it doesn't revolve around boys, it revolves around Pudsey. It's a bond that you'd never break.
And what is he?
He's a crossbreed. Do you want me to tell you what he is?
Yeah.
He's a Beagle Frise, a Border Collie and a Chinese Crusty Powder Puff.
Well, what? Chinese Crusty Powder Puff? Chinese Crusty Powder Puff?
I've come on Britain's Got Talent because I know Simon's been looking for a lassie for quite a while, so I'm hoping Pudsey could fill them boots.
You seem quite relaxed.
I'm okay. No, I'm not okay. I think Pudsey's quite calm though.
He seems it.
Yeah, he looks very calm.
Thank
you. You ready for them?
Yes.
Should we do it? It's all up to you. Come on.
Thank you.
Go, you want. Good luck, have fun.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank
Good.
you.
Right, introduce me, please.
I'm Ashley, and this is my dog Pudsey.
Pudsey.
Pudsey, yeah.
He's gorgeous. How old is he?
He's 6.
Okay, so tell me about the two of you. When did you first meet?
My mum gave him to me for my 11th birthday.
Okay, and how old are you?
I'm 16.
Okay, so you're at school.
Yeah.
Okay, so where do you see the two of yourself if you were to win this show in a few years' time? I'm looking for Oscars. Do you think your dog and you could win an Oscar?
Yes.
Oh, he has pricked up at that, look.
Yeah, he's heard Oscar. He's like, yeah.
Good. Best of luck.
Thank you. Pudsey, come on, Puds. Good boy. Ready?
He's a cute little thing,
Good
isn't
boy.
he?
Ready? Sit. Right. Head down.
I want him.
He's walking like a human.
Maybe Fred will win the fight.
A doggy star is born.
That's what we're doing.
Alicia.
You and Pudsey are adorable. I've been dying to see a dancing dog. That was fantastic.
Thank you.
Well done.
Good boy.
Everything about that was brilliant. Chemistry between the two of you. I was completely blown away.
You know me, I love a dancing dog. I do. And Pudsey's one of the best dancing dogs I've ever seen. We've got this great connection between the two of you. My only criticism would have been I would have put Pudsey in a prehistoric outfit as well. Do you think Pudsey would change if he won the show?
I think he could go a bit diva, maybe. A little bit. He gets what he wants.
OK, well, we're going to have to vote now. David, yes or no?
1,000,000% yes. Loved it.
Alicia?
It's a yes from me.
Ashley, and more importantly, Pudsey, you're through to the next round. 3 yeses.
That's amazing.
What about the judges' comments? Some great comments.
I know. Oh, it's when they stood up at the end. I was just like, oh, God. It was brilliant.
That was heaven for me, because I love the Flintstones. I love dog acts. Heaven.
Oh, listen, well done.
Thank you.
Well done. Well done, Puds.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Puds. Good boy.
Well done, Ashley.
A huge welcome to the show.
I'm excited to be here.
I'm excited to meet you. Now, what's your name, sir?
My name is Christian Stoynevi.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Okay, it's not a problem. Really good luck, really rooting for you.
All right, thank you very much. Goodness me.
It's a cute little dog.
Bang it in, Percy. That clever dog comes up with the applause.
Yeah.
Show his dog.
Can I just say, if anything happened to that dog, I would gladly take its place in the act. Simon.
Did he travel with you?
Yes, he travels with me.
And how old is he?
He is 4 years old.
He's adorable.
I just loved it. I thought your act was fantastic.
That was so impressive to watch.
We're going to vote. David?
He's going to say yes!
Yes from me.
Yes from me.
4 yeses. Congratulations.
This is the greatest show on earth, starring Alexa and her incredible dancing dogs.
That was brilliant.
There's only one thing to do.
It was so good. Excuse us for
There's only one thing to do. There's only one thing to do. When you see that, come on.
Look at that.
Mia, sit and stay.
Hello.
Sit. Hi.
And your name is?
Edna Moore.
And this is?
Mia Moore.
Mia Moore.
Mia Moore.
Yes, she is.
Do you want to tell us a bit more about Mia?
Well, Mia, she loves fashion, as you can see. Her wardrobe, forget it. She has more clothes than Tyra.
So what is the act we're going to see today? Because I'm really excited about this.
Well, Mia, she can count any number between 1 and 50. She also read number flashcards.
Okay, well, listen, best of luck, both of you.
If you would like to choose a number that you would like for her to count to, I'll tell her to count it for you.
4.
Mia, count to 4. Go. Are you nervous? Are you nervous? No. No, she's not nervous. Okay, sit. Mia, count to 4. Give me another number.
16.
16. Okay. Mia, sit. 16. Mia, 16.
No, that was 16.
Amazing. Now, we need help. Tyra.
I got flashcards here. Okay.
And I'll let you pick the number.
Oh, I just picked?
Yes, you pick a number you want her to count to.
Okay.
Mia, sit, sit. Mia? What number is this?